another episode of Tube for You. Well, today's episode is a vlog style episode, and as you can see, I'm outside, and this is the beautiful tree behind me. So where I am with my buddy Jay.
Hello everyone, how you doing, man?
What's up? So basically, what we are over here today is we are at the Palladium Mall, and what we're going to do is we are over here to capture the Nuclear event, and also Vin Diesel, who is coming in for promotion of the Xander Cage. So things are going to be pretty exciting, and yeah, the stage is all set, and I'll be taking you for the outside view right now. Let's go check it out how things are out there. There's the stage behind me. It's all set to welcome the Xander Cage XXX movie. This is how the stage is set. You can see return of the Xander Cage XXX. There are loads and loads of crew members everywhere, and security is pretty tight because Nuclear is also coming in. Stay tuned, I'll get back to you soon. In fact, we would be getting back soon.
We will be getting back soon.
And
I'm so fucking excited.
Even I'm excited.
Vin Diesel and Nuclear.
Frankly, Deepika Padukone, really sorry because even we are excited to see you, but Vin Diesel, we are here for you. See you soon.
How excited you are to getting to know that Vin Diesel is going to be here with Deepika, and Nuclear is also playing. Super excited? You?
Yeah, it's amazing.
It's amazing. What about you
I just
guys?
want to hear Vin Diesel once.
You just want to hear Vin Diesel because he has that rough tone, that heavy tone that he has.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. पहली बार इंडिया में मतलब आ रहा है विन डीजल. हमने वैसे तो कभी देखा नहीं है उनको. आज पहली बार लाइव देख रहे तो अच्छा ही लगेगा शायद.
Very much. What about you guys? A lot. And about Nuclear, are you guys going to see him for the first time over here? Yeah. Super excited for him?
Yes.
Okay, what do you want to say for Nuclear and Vin Diesel? Any messages for him?
लाइन में हम वेट कर रहे हैं बिफोर द डोर ओपन्स, और न्यूक्लियर इज कमिंग इन. दैट्स द न्यूज़. न्यूक्लियर आ रहा है, न्यूक्लियर बजाने वाला है फुल ऑन एकदम. एंड देयर इज गोना बी विन डीजल एंड दीपिका पादुकोण. जस्ट टू शो यू, जो मुझे लग रहा है यहाँ पे पोस्टर फटने वाला है, बिकॉज इफ यू सी ऊपर से ये है पोस्टर, और ये ऑल द वे होते 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 यहाँ पे उतरने वाला है. अभी देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है. सो इन द मीन वाइल, क्राउड आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? पब्लिक कुछ बोलना चाहेगी? अरे विन यार, डीजल दादा आ रहे, कुछ तो बोलो यार तुम लोग. दीपिका के लिए खड़े हो? दीपिका के कितने फैंस? हाथ ऊपर. डीजल दादा के कितने फैंस? न्यूक्लियर के कितने फैन है? न्यूक्लियर के कितने फैन है? कुछ समझ में नहीं आया मुझे. चालू हो जाएगा तो अभी देखते हैं, बस स्टार्ट हो जाने तो उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या होता है. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड, डू नॉट गो एनीवेयर. तो अभी तक हम लोग डीजल भाई का वेट कर रहे हैं, बट ही इज नोवेयर टू बी सीन. गॉड नोस व्हेन विल बी कमिंग. इन द मीनवाइल, बोल सब लोग, यो इट्स अ सी ऑफ पीपल. वी ऑल आर वेटिंग फॉर वन थिंग, विन डीजल, दीपिका पादुकोण. लेट्स सी व्हेन दे अराइव. Stay tuned, do not go anywhere.
The awesome, the zany, the fantastic Mumbai ki Rani, Malishka!
जहां पर चश्मे उतार के ऑडियंस में फेंक दिया जाए. ये पागल है क्या? ये पर्सनल है, मर्चेंडाइज नहीं है। दीपिका पादुकोण के साथ सेल्फी लेने कौन आया? विन डीजल के साथ मसल कंपेयर करने कौन आया? न्यूक्लियर के साथ बजाने कौन आया? GoPro on your head. Of course you gotta make it. Be careful. Oh, hi. What's up, GoPro? Hi. What's up, GoPro?
Yes, everything is good. I'm feeling awesome. How are you?
Awesome. What's your name?
Jay Patil.
Hi, Jay. Are you shooting all of them at this point?
It's on, and everybody's live. What's up, guys?
You have to practice this. Depends on what you're going to say. Everyone is advertising over here. Okay. You have a YouTube channel and its name is?
Tube for you.
Tube for You.
Yeah, that's my name.
That's his name. Alright, go check it out. You are? Are we ready? Okay, guys, you got to see who holds it up the longest, okay? Cheer for them. Okay, pull it out. Come out here. Stand. Stand. Alright, this is the I'm the Brick Challenge. Are you ready? Let's go. 5, 4. Hold it up here. 2, 1. Higher, 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 higher. Come on, cheer! Come on, cheer for them. Give it up. Hey! हाथ ऊपर, come on, come on. You were supposed to do it with one finger, but I gave you more. Are they doing well?
अरे वो लड़की ने 2 बार छोड़ा यार.
Alright, DJ, I can't believe. Hey, हाथ नीचे करके ऊपर नहीं जा सकता. Down, 1 down, 2 down. Sorry, girl. Okay, 2 down. YouTube, come on. Look at that boy. Alright, give it up for him.
'Cause you don't know how.
What do you want him to do first? Pop that shit! Ladies and gentlemen, I bring you the man, Nuclear! Nick Bado!
इस डीजे के पूर्वजों का लोक कथाओं में वो उल्लेख है। इसका संगीत सुनकर भूत प्रेत, चुड़ैल और काला जादू जैसी नापाक शक्तियां थर थर कांपने लगती है। सुनने वाले अभी फिलहाल सिर्फ मनोरंजन पर ध्यान दें, हकीकत में ऐसा कम ही होता है।
So guys, right now it's me and Jay, and we are heading back home. We are in our cab, and seriously, our voices are gone.
It's really gone.
हालत खराब हो चुकी है. I can't feel my legs. Oh man. But the experience.
The event was awesome.
The event was awesome.
Nuclear killed it.
Nuclear killed it. Bhai, Nuclear ne, it was my first time ever that I was in such type of a concert. Prior to that, never. And
I was telling him that if you're standing at the front barricade, it's not that easy. It looks easy that nobody's standing over there, but then
guys,
you got that push and everything.
Push. There were 4 girls with me, and if you are seeing the video, you know my channel. You already spoken to me previously. मैंने कैसे निकाला है बाहर उन 4 लोग को, भाई मैं जानता हूँ. We were at the first entry, first barricade. It was a sea of people. आपने देखा ही.
Around 3,000 to 4,000 crowd. That's what I can see.
और उनके बीच में से उन 4 लोग को निकाला है मैंने. It gets very difficult because this event was a free event. It was not with any paid thing. So because of that, there were rowdy crowd as well. And man, बहुत difficulty हुई मुझे निकालने में, but निकल गए भाई. लेकिन उसके बाद जो कंडीशन हो रही है मेरा सर दर्द हो रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा.
Yeah, but it's okay.
But
was
it's
about
okay.
that,
And
yeah.
in the end, what I would say is,
Yeah, we got to saw Dominic Toretto.
Dominic
that means
Toretto,
Vin Diesel,
and
yeah.
Deepika,
yeah.
And Vin Diesel was amazing.
Amazing.
यार उसकी आवाज, the way he looks, यार कितना
The
गोरा है
way
वो.
he
कितना
handles
गोरा है
himself.
वो.
हाँ, गोरा तो है, अपना तो गोरा है तो.
Oh man.
Oh damn man.
But again,
But then the crowd went crazy as soon as he stepped
Amazing.
off the stage.
so with
Yeah.
that said, I hope you liked today's video. Today's video was a vlog, and it was kind of an amazing
And
vlog.
we did vlog after a long time.
After a
right?
really long time,
Really
man.
long time,
And
yeah.
2017, as promised to you guys, is gonna be
Out-
amazing.
yeah,
It's
and
gonna be
outdoor.
just outdoors.
The videos will be outdoor.
Next up, chalo, okay, let's
Yeah.
give you a heads on. We are going to the BKC Auto Expo.
Yeah.
It's not the Auto Expo, it's the auto show, auto car show.
Yeah, supercars and everything. will
Supercars
be
and
there.
everything, and we would be covering it like
Yeah.
crazy. So, if you guys want to meet us, we'll be there on Saturday, the 22nd, I guess. Saturday?
I don't know.
Saturday,
9,
जो भी है.
2021
The
something.
next Saturday,
Yeah.
we are gonna be there at BKC. So make sure all you beautiful subscribers of Tube for You and lovers of
Come
supercars
say
and
hi
superbikes,
and
please come say hi
Yeah.
to us. We would love to hear
meet
from you.
Yeah.
And also, you guys would be featured on the channel. So stay tuned for more. God bless you all. And I'm super tired.
Yeah, we are
Have a
super
good
tired.
night's sleep. We are on our way back home. And anything.
Nothing, man. I want to sleep because
And one more thing. When we were waiting for a cab, we saw Karan Johar.
Yeah, we are
Karan Johar, and he
His
was.
S500 Maybach edition.
You're wrong.
Mercedes.
You're wrong.
What?
It's S600.
It was S500. I saw.
S600.
Damn then. Maybach
The
edition.
Maybach S600, white color, epic car,
Yeah.
epic fellow. He was talking on his phone. You
Oh,
can
yeah.
hardly look at him because the entire windows are blacked out.
Yeah.
But again, the experience was amazing.
Amazing.
I can't even talk, and we'll say good night. Bye bye.
okay.
Love you all. Take care. Bye.